Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry and today we're going to be working on a set of layouts that I completed as a workshop late last year while I was a consultant. This was one of the very first deluxe workshops that I did, and I was featuring the texture paste, and we basically learned how to texture paste together. If you want to look for the video, I believe it's called Sweet Moments Deluxe Workshop. Could have a different name. I'll try and find the name for you, and if I can find it, I'll put it in I'll list it for you so you can reference back to the actual video that we did this together. I went in and attached the vellum because I was having to square that up and make it fit. A lot of times I was having to teach or feature a paper pack, get it filmed and get it out to you very, very quickly, and I did not have photos a lot of the times at the time that would match what I was trying to do. So I would use photo placement cards just to get it done so that you guys could see the technique and see the paper pack while it was still being featured way close to my heart. So now what I'm doing, because I have a nice large 12 by 12 iris bucket full of these things, is I'm going back through and I'm looking before I create a new layout. Do I have any photos that'll work for these pages? And you know what? 90% of the time I do. And I have perfect ones that fit these pages. So what I'm going to do is set this aside because 99.5% of it is finished, and I'm going to work on the photos real fast. I also have it's a trading pin that I bought from Disney. All I did was snip the back of it off with 10 snips, and Kayla is a Tinkerbell fiend, so I had to have this one. And then this is her time. Where did I put the... Did I put it away? I did. I put it away. Actually, we're not going to do 4 by 4. We're going to do 3 3/4. These photos are when Kayla had a chance to sit in with the Disney Studio animators. They have a little class at Disney that you can attend. And it's a basic little class, but she is, well, this was before she started art school. She was probably 2013, she was probably in 10th grade. So this was just fascinating for her. And Mike also participated while I was at convention. They always seem to find stuff to entertain themselves when I had to be out. Just gonna score. Where I need to be. For this one, I'm going to mainly work on her hands. Right there. So I'm not going to put her face in this photo at all. I just want to feature her hands. Now, in past videos, I have said that if you want to cover the placement card, make your photo a smidge bigger than what it says on the photo placement card. For these, I want to use the photo placement card as a matte, so effectively I am double matting. So I'm going to go a smidge smaller than it says on the card. Now, if you're wondering where the photo placement cards come from, when you order the Close to My Heart workshops, the cards come with it. So you will receive a full set of cards of what you need to go with that workshop. So if you have a local consultant that is teaching the workshops and you don't have photos available at the moment, go ahead and do those layouts. Go ahead and go to your class. And then you can always come back later. Just pop them in an iris box to keep them safe. And you can always come back later and just pop your photos on. said, this is a super simple, really quick. This is also a good way to where if you pre-do your layouts with the photo placement cards, and you, say like in class and whatnot, and you don't have a lot of time but you've got a crop coming up, grab your iris box full of these layouts, grab a stack of pictures, your toolkit, your trimmer, and you can go to the crop very lightly and still get a bunch of layouts done. It's a bit of a cheat, but you know what? Take the cheat where you can get it. And then I'm going to take some foam tape and pop that up. But because it's also going over some dimensional stuff, I'm going to use a little bit of score tape also. I need to remember that I've got my texture paste and stuff. I don't use it nearly enough, and I love the way it looks. And here you go. So again, I will try to find the video for you and link it back for the original video. But here is the very quickly completed with the photos. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know there are many, many things that you could be doing, and I'm very thankful that you choose to spend just a few minutes of your day with me. Until next time, bye-bye.